Today, we're diving into the top 5 luxury vehicles that redefine power and ultimate luxury. These rides aren't just cars. They're a statement of dominance and prestige. Welcome to Auto Xplore USA. Today, we're taking a look at one of the most extravagant luxury motorhomes ever imagined. A rolling masterpiece that blurs the line between futuristic design and ultimate comfort. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a moving mansion designed for those who want to travel without ever leaving behind the luxury of a 5-star lifestyle. From the moment you see it, the sheer size and futuristic bodywork leave you stunned. Its aerodynamic curves and bold chrome finishes aren't just about looks. They're engineered for stability and efficiency on long highways. The wide windshield stretches like the cockpit of a spaceship, giving drivers and passengers an unmatched panoramic view of the open road. Massive alloy wheels and cutting-edge suspension make it glide effortlessly, even on challenging terrains. Step inside, and the magic truly begins. The interior is crafted with premium leather, polished marble flooring, and soft ambient lighting that creates a calm, luxurious vibe. Imagine stepping into a living room with floor-to-ceiling windows, an elegant sofa, and a high-end entertainment system, complete with a 100-inch smart TV and surround sound. The entire space is voice-controlled. Lights, curtains, temperature, even the entertainment system respond instantly to your commands. The kitchen is a chef's dream. Equipped with stainless steel appliances, a smart refrigerator, induction cooking, and even a built-in coffee bar, it feels more like a luxury apartment kitchen than one inside a vehicle. There's also a spacious dining area with seating for 6, offering the perfect spot to enjoy meals while gazing at beautiful landscapes through large glass panels. Moving into the private quarters, the master bedroom rivals any luxury hotel suite. A king-sized memory foam bed, wall-mounted OLED TV, walk-in closet, and even a private balcony that extends at the touch of a button. Everything is designed for absolute relaxation. The bathroom is equally lavish with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and a jacuzzi-style tub, giving you the comfort of a spa on wheels. But luxury doesn't stop here. The motorhome is fitted with a state-of-the-art AI driving system that assists in navigation, lane control, and parking. Solar panels across the roof ensure that eco-friendly energy supports all the major systems, reducing dependency on fuel-powered generators. There's even a private garage space inside the rear compartment, big enough to carry a sports car or 2 motorcycles, making it perfect for adventurers who want mobility at every stop. Entertainment goes beyond screens and comfort. The lounge area can transform into a mini cinema with retractable seating, while the roof has an extendable deck with a jacuzzi and lounge chairs for stargazing at night. Whether it's hosting friends, traveling with family, or just enjoying solitude and motion, this motorhome delivers it all. The attention to detail is unmatched. Every corner is custom designed, from hand-stitched leather to climate control zones in each room. Add in high-speed satellite internet, advanced security systems with facial recognition and smart climate control, and you realize this isn't just luxury, it's the future of mobile living. This luxury motorhome doesn't just provide travel, it delivers a lifestyle that combines innovation, technology, and comfort in one extraordinary package. Whether parked at a scenic mountain spot, overlooking an ocean view, or cruising across endless highways, it's designed to make every journey unforgettable. This luxury motorhome takes the concept of travel and living on the road to an entirely new dimension. Unlike traditional RVs, which often focus on compactness and efficiency, this futuristic design embraces bold proportions, aerodynamic curves, and an aesthetic that feels closer to a luxury yacht than a vehicle. From the very first glance, its sleek metallic body commands attention. The long, low-slung frame rides on multiple oversized wheels, each crafted with intricate detailing, giving it both strength and elegance. The panoramic windshield stretches seamlessly across the front, creating an almost spaceship-like appearance. And when you see it gliding down the highway, it feels more like a vision from the future than a motorhome of today. Step inside and the magic truly begins. The interior is designed with a philosophy of limitless luxury. Imagine walking into a living space that combines the sophistication of a 5-star hotel suite with the innovation of smart home technology. Expansive lounge areas are fitted with plush, high-quality seating, designed not just for comfort but for an immersive experience of the road. Large floor-to-ceiling smart glass windows adjust their tint automatically, giving passengers complete control over privacy and sunlight, while still offering breathtaking views of the outside world. The kitchen is nothing short of a chef's dream. Instead of the usual cramped setup, this motorhome offers a full-sized space equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, sleek countertops, and a futuristic touch control system. Whether preparing a gourmet meal or a quick snack, the experience feels effortless and refined. The dining area is designed with elegance in mind, providing a perfect space for families or guests to gather, enjoy meals, and share conversations while traveling in unmatched style. When it comes to rest, the bedrooms elevate comfort to new heights. The master suite is equipped with a king-size bed, ambient LED mood lighting, and integrated entertainment systems. Walls are lined with noise-canceling technology, ensuring complete tranquility regardless of the environment outside. Additional sleeping areas are designed with flexibility, making it ideal for both private family use and entertaining guests. Each space is carefully planned to maintain a balance of openness and intimacy, creating a home-like atmosphere on the move. The bathroom redefines what you would expect from a motorhome. It features spa-inspired elements such as rainfall showers, high-end fixtures, and luxury finishes like marble and brushed metal. This isn't just about functionality, it's about indulgence. Every detail is carefully crafted to make daily routines feel like moments of relaxation and escape. Technology plays a central role throughout this motorhome. From AI-assisted driving systems to advanced climate control and fully automated lighting, everything is designed to respond to the user's needs with precision. Voice-activated assistants help manage navigation, entertainment, and even the atmosphere of the interior. Safety features are equally impressive, with advanced radar, adaptive cruise control, and collision avoidance systems ensuring peace of mind for long journeys. On the exterior, hidden compartments open up to reveal outdoor living spaces. Think of fold-out decks where you can set up seating, enjoy the sunset, or simply expand the living area while parked. Solar panels integrated seamlessly into the design power many of the onboard systems, ensuring sustainability without compromising luxury. Ultimately, this luxury motorhome represents more than just a vehicle. It symbolizes freedom without limits. It combines the thrill of futuristic design with the comfort of home, allowing travelers to explore the open road while enjoying the very best of modern luxury. For those who dream of adventure but refuse to compromise on lifestyle, this motorhome delivers an experience that is nothing short of extraordinary. This luxury motorhome takes the concept of comfort on the road to an entirely new level. Imagine a vehicle that not only moves you from one destination to another, but transforms every journey into a five-star experience. With its futuristic design, cutting-edge features, and premium materials, this motorhome is built for those who demand nothing but the best in life. From the outside, its aerodynamic silhouette, bold lines, and oversized panoramic windows make it look more like a moving piece of art than a vehicle. The sleek metallic finish reflects light beautifully, giving it a commanding presence wherever it travels. Step inside, and the interior feels like a luxury penthouse suite on wheels. The cabin is designed with an open concept layout, ensuring every corner feels spacious and inviting. The living area features plush leather seating, handcrafted wood accents, and advanced ambient lighting that can shift in color and intensity to set the perfect mood. A massive smart TV and surround sound system create a home theater environment, making road trips feel more like first-class vacations. Moving further, the kitchen inside this motorhome is unlike anything you'd expect from a vehicle. It comes fully equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, including a convection oven, induction cooktop, refrigerator, and even a wine cooler. The countertops are made from quartz, offering both durability and elegance, while the cabinetry provides abundant storage space with a sleek, modern design. Whether you're preparing a quick snack or a gourmet dinner, this kitchen ensures you'll never compromise on quality. The bedroom is where true comfort shines. With a king-sized bed fitted with a memory foam mattress, luxury linens, and climate control options, you can rest as peacefully as you would in a five-star hotel. Panoramic windows on either side provide stunning views of the world outside, while blackout shades guarantee total privacy when needed. Soft lighting and thoughtful design elements create a calming environment, perfect for unwinding after a long day on the road. One of the standout features of this luxury motorhome is its spa-inspired bathroom. Equipped with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and smart mirrors with touch controls, The bathroom feels more like a luxury resort spa than something you'd expect inside a vehicle. Marble finishes and high-end fixtures complete the look, giving every traveler the sense of indulgence they deserve. Technology plays a huge role in this motorhome's design. From voice-activated controls to integrated smart home systems, nearly every feature can be customized with a simple command. Want to adjust the lighting, temperature, or entertainment system? Just say the word. The driver's cockpit is equally advanced, offering a digital dashboard, heads-up display, and AI-assisted driving for the ultimate ease of control. Safety features like adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, and lane assist ensure that every journey is as smooth as it is secure. Storage has also been maximized in intelligent ways. Hidden compartments, expandable sections, and modular furniture make it easy to bring along everything you need without feeling cluttered. Even outdoor living is elevated with an automatic awning, fold-out deck space, and built-in grill, turning any stop into an instant luxury retreat. Ultimately, this motorhome represents freedom without compromise. It's for those who want to see the world but refuse to leave behind the luxuries of home. Whether parked on a quiet mountainside near a beach or cruising down the highway, it delivers elegance, comfort, and cutting-edge technology all in one. This is not just a way to travel, it's a lifestyle, designed for people who believe every journey should be as extraordinary as the destination. This luxury motorhome is not just transportation, it's a moving palace that redefines the meaning of comfort on the road. At first glance, its exterior styling immediately captures attention with a futuristic aerodynamic body and smooth metallic finish, built not only to impress, but also to enhance performance. The design language here speaks of elegance and boldness, perfectly blending the look of a super yacht with the practicality of a motorhome. Its massive frame rides on multiple heavy-duty wheels, each engineered for stability, balance, and durability, ensuring this motorhome glides across highways with grace and authority. Stepping inside, you are welcomed by an interior that feels more like a five-star hotel suite than a vehicle. The living area is designed with premium leather seating, arranged in a way that provides both relaxation and social space for friends and family. The floor is finished with polished wood and marble accents, adding to the luxury feel. Soft LED ambient lighting creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, while oversized panoramic windows flood the interior with natural light, giving breathtaking views of the road and landscape outside. The kitchen area rivals what you would find in a modern apartment. Equipped with stainless steel appliances, a refrigerator, induction cooktop, oven, and plenty of storage cabinets, it allows you to cook gourmet meals while traveling. Everything is designed with a blend of practicality and elegance, from the quartz countertops to the smartly integrated storage solutions. Moving towards the entertainment section, this motorhome spares no expense. A massive flat-screen television with surround sound audio transforms the living space into a private theater. Streaming capabilities, satellite connection, and high-speed internet integration ensure that wherever you go, entertainment follows without compromise. For those who enjoy gaming or working on the road, an integrated workstation is available with ergonomic seating and the latest connectivity features. The sleeping quarters provide ultimate comfort. A master bedroom suite includes a king-size bed with memory foam mattress, luxury linens, and climate control options. Surrounding storage and mood lighting make it a space designed for absolute relaxation. Additional guest sleeping areas are seamlessly integrated, allowing multiple people to travel in comfort without sacrificing space or style. The bathroom continues the theme of high-class luxury. Full-sized shower with rainfall head, heated flooring, and top-of-the-line fixtures make it feel like a spa experience on wheels. Modern design and premium finishes create a private oasis wherever you park. Technology plays a big role in making this motorhome exceptional. Smart controls allow you to manage lighting, temperature, security, and entertainment all from a central touchscreen or even from your smartphone. Solar panels and advanced power management systems provide sustainable energy, reducing reliance on external hookups and giving you freedom to explore off the grid. Safety is just as important as luxury. Equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, cameras, radar sensors, and emergency controls, this motorhome makes driving such a massive vehicle far more secure and easy. The build quality also ensures maximum protection in case of accidents, giving peace of mind during long journeys. This luxury motorhome stands as a perfect example of blending futuristic innovation with timeless comfort. It's not just about traveling from one place to another. It's about doing so in unmatched style, convenience, and elegance. For anyone who wants the ultimate road experience, this motorhome is designed to make every mile a memory. This luxury motorhome redefines what it means to travel in style, blending futuristic design with the kind of comfort usually reserved for five-star hotels. From the very first glance, its streamlined body, metallic finish, and aerodynamic curves make it stand out as a moving masterpiece. But what truly sets it apart is not just its looks. It's the way it turns every journey into an unforgettable experience. Designed for those who demand both elegance and performance, this motorhome is an example of how far technology and imagination can take us. Step inside and you'll immediately feel like you've entered a luxury penthouse on wheels. The living area is expansive, featuring plush reclining leather sofas, customizable ambient lighting, and floor-to-ceiling smart glass windows that can adjust their tint with a touch. The interior is crafted with premium materials, polished wood, brushed aluminum, and Italian marble surfaces that create a balance of warmth and sophistication. Every inch of space has been carefully thought out to maximize comfort and utility, making it feel less like a vehicle and more like a private luxury residence. The kitchen is equipped with cutting-edge appliances, including a built-in induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, and even a compact dishwasher. A touchscreen control panel lets you adjust every setting, from temperature to entertainment, with ease. The dining area features a sleek table that can expand when needed, making it perfect for hosting friends or enjoying a quiet dinner while watching the scenery pass by. When it comes to relaxation, this motorhome leaves no stone unturned. The master bedroom is a sanctuary of comfort, with a king-sized memory foam bed, automated blackout shades, and a built-in entertainment system. Hidden storage compartments ensure that everything has its place, keeping the room uncluttered and serene. The bathroom is equally luxurious, featuring a rainfall shower, heated floors, and a smart mirror that doubles as an information hub, displaying weather updates or your travel itinerary while you get ready. Technology plays a huge role in making this motorhome a true marvel. With integrated AI systems, you can control lighting, temperature, and even security with voice commands. High-speed satellite internet ensures you're always connected, no matter how remote your location might be. The entertainment system is world-class, offering a massive 8K screen, surround sound speakers, and seamless streaming capabilities. Imagine watching your favorite movies under the stars while parked in the middle of breathtaking landscapes. On the outside, this motorhome is just as impressive. Its bold futuristic design features multiple axles for stability, custom alloy wheels, and adaptive headlights that adjust automatically based on driving conditions. Built-in solar panels provide renewable energy, reducing the reliance on traditional fuel sources and making it more environmentally friendly. The exterior also includes retractable awnings and an outdoor lounge area, perfect for relaxing or entertaining guests on the road. Safety has been prioritized as well. With advanced driver assist technology, 360-degree cameras, and collision avoidance systems, every trip is secure and stress-free. Its powerful hybrid engine ensures smooth performance and efficiency, whether you're cruising highways or navigating through mountain roads. Overall, this luxury motorhome is not just about traveling from point A to B. It's about experiencing the journey in ways that redefine freedom and comfort. It combines high-end living, futuristic technology, and striking design into one seamless package. For anyone who dreams of exploring the open road without sacrificing luxury, this motorhome stands as the ultimate travel companion. For more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Auto Xplore USA.